Hi, welcome to this BOC demo about how to transfer a call. In BOC, there's a number of different ways to perform this operation. The first of which is using drag and drop. By doing that, we can pop out these little labels, and when we have a call, we can drag any one of those functions onto a user to perform it. So, for example, say we want to transfer this call to Susan Larson. We'll do a search and find her. We could drag the transfer function to her, we could drag the park4 function to her, or we could send the call right to her voicemail by dragging voicemail onto her. We can also click up anywhere here where it's green and empty, and we can drag and drop this call on Susan Larson. You'll see that call now being transferred to her, and when we flip over to her phone, when we answer it, we'll show that in our console as well. Some of the faster or perhaps better methods of transferring calls are as such. One, drag and or double click. Double click is a smart function in BOC. It'll let you answer a call, and when you're on a call, when you double click on someone, it will transfer that call to that person. As you can see, that all performed exactly the same. We also provide a freeform transfer. So if you know the number and you wanted to just type it in your keyboard keypad, you can click this blue freeform transfer button, type any number in there, and press enter. You'll see when we do that, that call's quickly transferred to Susan as well. BOC also supports a full range of keyboard functions as well, and I'll just stick these over here for the purposes of this example. If we wanted to perform this whole process using only the keyboard, we'll let go of the mouse. We can press F1 to answer the call. To transfer, we need to search until we find one person on the screen so the console knows who we're attempting to transfer to. So in this case, we type enough of Susan's name to where she appears alone on the screen, at which point we can use either the F2, F3, F4, or F6 transfers, depending on what type of thing we wanted to do. In this case, we'll do an F2 blind transfer, like we've been doing, and you'll see that call get transferred exactly the same way. The final method I'll show you is our preferred method if we have one. When we know who a call is for, again, we would search for that person, and when we find them, we can right-click on them, exposing this entire menu. This gives us all the transfer options in one place, whether it be the blind transfer, a supervised transfer where we get to talk to them in the middle and announce the caller, a straight-to-voicemail transfer, or a transfer to any of their other Active Directory numbers they may have. All these options are presented in the same place, so if we click the transfer, you'll see that happen exactly the same way. This concludes this demo about transferring calls in Bridge Operator Console. For more demos, visit our YouTube channel or our main website at bridgeoc.com. Thank you.